It's investment by local and foreign entrepreneurs in different industrial and mineral sectors. Moving on to Palestine, at least 2 Palestinians have been killed in an air raid by the Israeli regime on Beit Hanun in the north of Gaza Strip. Palestinian sources added 4 more were also wounded during the attack. Meanwhile, in Rafah area, Egyptian forces, under pressure from the U.S. and the occupying regime of Israel, have blocked all the crossings on Egypt-Gaza Strip border except the Salahuddin crossing point. Egyptian forces have reportedly set up barbed wire to close the openings along the border wall. With Israeli forces tightening the siege around the coastal strip, residents have been sneaking across the border into Egypt to buy basic supplies. Due to U.S. opposition, 8 days of consecutive meetings of the UN Security Council have failed to come up with a statement obliging the Israeli regime to lift a blockade of the Gaza Strip. Lebanon ambassador to the UN, Gala Talahi, whose country holds a rotating presidency of the UN Security Council, expressed regret over the resolutions not winning the Council's approval and said the Security Council has decided to stop looking into the matter. The U.S. has so far opposed any anti-Israel resolution and tries to justify the Israeli regime's crimes by claiming its forces are acting in self-defense. Crude prices rose despite predictions of rising U.S. oil supplies, with traders focusing on expectations the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates later Wednesday. Meanwhile, OPEC's periodical chairman, Algerian oil minister Shakib Khalid, confirmed that OPEC will not raise output at its meeting this week. His comments came as light sweet crude for March delivery added 91 cents to $92.55 a barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. In London, Brent crude futures rose 59 cents to $92.59 a barrel on the ICE Futures Exchange. Time now to check on the weather forecast. The capital Tehran is having partly cloudy skies, coupled with scattered snow showers and gentle winds on Wednesday. And the temperature in the capital will drop to 29 degrees Fahrenheit, the coldest hours tonight. City by City Nationwide weather report is coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our news. Goodbye.